This time we have a fantastic run north, just a short trip to Royal Quays Marina. Here's a lovely wide entrance coming into the Tyne. And it isn't long before you get into the nice calm waters of the River Tyne itself. Once past the old fish docks.
Royal Quays Marina, this is Ava Grace, over.
It's about time to call up the marina.
Ava Grace, this is Royal Quays, go ahead sir.
Yeah, just approaching your entrance, requesting a locking over.
Now listen very carefully.
It's also expecting you, once you get to the marina, if you go on to berth D6, Delta 6 sir. So if you come down in between E and D pontoon, it's next to a boat called Talos. If you come in astern, it'll be starboard side too.
Okay, D6, Morris. Thank you, sir.
There was some important information there, and I didn't quite hear it right. Coming into the lock is dead easy. Just wait for the green light.
I'll be there.
Nice tall platform to moor up against, whilst you wait for the log to fill. Now we thought he said between D and C. There was a yacht coming out, so we had to wait for that yacht. Usual, whenever we come into the marina, the wind seems to start to get up.
Marina, go ahead please.
So with the yacht clear, we head down, look for our berth number.
Lock ready for you, so come round and come into the lock with the green lights please. Walkies out.
D6.
So I've got the number right. And as we're heading down, it's sort of dawned. Wrong side, I think. Yeah, we can't see any even numbers.
We're on the wrong side.
Yeah, penny drops.
We're on the wrong side.
So we have to do a 360. It still doesn't look right. He did say starboard side.
Yeah. And that's port side.
Yeah. Not convinced.
No, that's cuckoo.
Then I'd forgotten the name of the boat that he said.
Dementia setting in.
Royal Quays Marina, Ava Grace, over.
I thought I'd better call him up and just verify the number again. But of course this was a different keeper.
I don't know. man. Caspicia, it's that one there. Caspicia, it's that one there. Yeah.
I really must get my hearing tested.
Yeah. No, yeah, it is, isn't it? Well, do you want me to go in bow first?
Station calling Royal Quays Marina. Go ahead, please. Over.
Yeah, it's Ava Grace. Just confirming. Delta 6, over.
Just bear with me 1 second. I'll just check on that. Over.
Thank you.
Of course, being a different lockkeeper, he will be thinking, "Oh, the heck is Ava Grace asking about Delta 6?"
Ava Grace, Royal Quays Marina. Delta 06. Over.
Yeah, okay, that's between D and E, is it, over?
Ava Grace, affirmative.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, D and E, not D and C.
I know you do.
Janet's getting
I think
fractious.
we'll bow first. We'll try it bow first. No, Janet, I can't. It's not long enough, is it? Finger's not going to be long enough. Yeah.
Well, if you count the number of boats and berths, that's not number 6. Number 6 to me looks like it's full. All confused up here. Doesn't take much. No man, we'll go in. Janet got confused as well. Maybe it's the other port. Thought, well, it's best to put it in a berth, then at least I can get onto the pontoon and go and find where we really need to be.
Yeah. Right.
So I jumped off the boat, run down the pontoon, found where we needed, worked out how their numbering system worked, and off we go again. It's always good to practice your mooring.
It's the other side of this yacht. Now, yeah.
And it was starboard side too. He was perfectly right. And once again we spin to come back in. Third time lucky. So, one wrong aisle, 1360, one wrong berth, we find Delta 6, and load up nice and securely. So usually Royal Quays have one of the marina staff down stood on the end of a finger waving you in. But I hit shift
I'm out of
change,
gear.
they were busy, we just had to sort ourselves out. And we're going to go on another boat, going to get the ferry to the south bank. Ah, we just missed it. Wait for the next. And this is the terminal.
Just put these in the back here.
Yeah. So there we've got the entrance to the Tyne from the south side. Beautiful beach here, just on the inlet inside of it. And there's North Shields and Tynemouth just over the way. So we're just getting ready to depart Royal Quays, heading back to Hartlepool. We've had a weekend away. Weather this morning, very light breezes. Low cloud. It started off a wee bit misty this morning.
Yeah, Paul, just move forward and back so there's plenty of room in the middle there for you.
The radio's busy. But it is starting to burn off. I can feel a little bit of heat in the sun. It's not going to be as nice a run up, or it's not going to be as nice as the run that we had coming up. But I think the sea state will be round about the same. Probably just a bit lower. But we won't have the blue seas. I think it'll be a bit greyer. I may even switch the radar on before we depart, just so that that's powered up, ready to go if we drop into any fog, just in preparation. So, planning to depart around about 1300. Low tide in Royal Quays is 11:20 today. And we're going to take the tide, the flood tide, as it goes down the coast to take us back to Hartlepool. And I'm planning to be in Hartlepool around about 17:30. So nice, steady, slow run, just drifting with the tide. But there's the entrance, or exit, should I say, to the Tyne. It's beautiful out there. What did I say earlier about don't think it's going to be blue? How wrong can you be?